Welcome to La Dolce Vita Brunch. Ciao amici. Today, we're bringing a touch of Italian elegance to your brunch table. Get ready for a La Dolce Vita experience, a celebration of the sweet life, infused with vibrant Kenyan flavors. We'll be crafting a four-course feast that's as impressive as it is easy to prepare. Imagine the aroma of toasted bread topped with juicy tomatoes and fragrant herbs. Picture a fluffy frittata bursting with fresh vegetables and creamy cheese. And let's not forget the classic caprese salad, a symphony of colors and textures. To top it all off, we'll indulge in a decadent tiramisu-inspired dessert, infused with a hint of Kenyan magic. Get ready to savor the flavors of Italy and Kenya, harmoniously combined in every delicious bite. Bruschetta is a testament to the beauty of simplicity in Italian cuisine. This classic appetizer showcases how a few basic ingredients can come together to create something truly extraordinary. A few humble ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. The freshness of the tomatoes, the aromatic basil, and the robust garlic all play their part in this culinary masterpiece. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step ensures that the bread will toast evenly and achieve that perfect golden brown color. Slice a baguette into 1-inch thick rounds and brush them generously with olive oil. The olive oil not only adds flavor, but also helps the bread to crisp up beautifully in the oven. Toast them in the preheated oven for about 5 to 7 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't burn, as ovens can vary. While the bread is toasting, prepare the tomato topping. Dice ripe tomatoes, mince garlic, and make sure to use the freshest ingredients you can find for the best flavor. And finally chop fresh basil or coriander. The herbs add a burst of freshness and a hint of color to the topping. Toss them together in a bowl with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the ingredients. Once the bread is toasted, spoon the vibrant tomato mixture generously onto each slice. The contrast between the crispy bread and the juicy topping is what makes bruschetta so delightful. Serve immediately and enjoy the burst of freshness in every bite. This dish is perfect for gatherings, as it's easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, bruschetta is a delicious way to celebrate the simple pleasures of life. Our frittata journey takes us to the heart of Italian comfort food, where tradition meets innovation, with a delightful Kenyan twist that brings a unique and vibrant flavor profile to this classic dish. This versatile dish is perfect for brunch, offering a delightful balance of flavors and textures that can be enjoyed by everyone. Start by whisking together 6 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. The eggs should be well beaten to ensure a fluffy texture. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Add finely chopped onion, colorful bell peppers, and fresh spinach. The olive oil adds a rich, smooth base that enhances the vegetables' natural flavors. Sauté until the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. This process brings out the sweetness of the onions and the peppers, while the spinach adds a fresh, earthy note. Pour the whisked eggs into the skillet with the sautéed vegetables. Make sure the eggs are evenly distributed to cover all the vegetables. Crumble feta cheese over the top. The feta adds a tangy, creamy element that complements the savory vegetables and eggs. Reduce heat to low and cover the skillet. This allows the frittata to cook gently and evenly, ensuring a perfect texture. Allow the frittata to cook gently for about 10 to 15 minutes until the eggs are set and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The slow cooking process helps meld the flavors together beautifully. Serve your frittata warm, cut into wedges, and savor the comforting flavors of Italy and Kenya combined. This dish is not just a meal, but an experience that brings together the best of both worlds, perfect for sharing with family and friends. Section 4. Caprese Salad. A symphony of colors and flavors. No Italian feast is complete without a caprese salad, a true celebration of fresh, vibrant flavors. This classic dish is a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. Slice ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese into rounds of equal thickness. Arrange them on a platter, alternating between tomato and mozzarella slices. Tuck fresh basil leaves between the slices, adding pops of bright green to the mix. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar over the salad. Season generously with salt and pepper. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures. The sweetness of the tomatoes, the creaminess of the mozzarella, the peppery bite of the basil, all brought together by the tangy dressing. Section 5. Tiramisu with a twist. Indulge in a Kenyan-inspired delight. Today, we are taking a beloved Italian classic and giving it a unique twist that will tantalize your taste buds. For a sweet ending to our La Dolce Vita brunch, we present a dessert that is both familiar and exotic. We'll be indulging in a tiramisu-inspired dessert with a unique Kenyan twist. This fusion of flavors brings together the creamy richness of traditional tiramisu with the bold, robust notes of Kenyan coffee. This classic Italian dessert gets a flavor makeover with the addition of Kenyan coffee, renowned for its rich aroma and full-bodied flavor. The coffee's distinct characteristics elevate the tiramisu to new heights. Start by brewing a strong cup of Kenyan coffee and let it cool completely. The quality of the coffee is crucial as it forms the backbone of our dessert's unique flavor profile. In a mixing bowl, beat egg yolks with sugar until they turn pale and creamy. This step is essential for achieving the smooth, velvety texture that tiramisu is known for. Gently fold in mascarpone cheese until well combined. The mascarpone adds a luxurious creaminess that balances the bold coffee flavor. In a separate bowl, beat egg whites until stiff peaks form. This will help to lighten the mascarpone mixture, giving the dessert its signature airy texture. Gently fold the egg whites into the mascarpone mixture, taking care not to overmix. Overmixing can deflate the egg whites, resulting in a denser dessert. Dip ladyfingers or sponge cake biscuits into the cooled coffee and layer them in a serving dish. The biscuits should be soaked but not soggy, ensuring they absorb the coffee flavor without falling apart. Top the soaked biscuits with a generous layer of the mascarpone mixture. This layer should be thick enough to provide a creamy contrast to the coffee-soaked biscuits. Repeat the layers, ending with a final layer of mascarpone mixture. Each layer adds depth and complexity to the dessert, making every bite a delightful experience. Dust the top with cocoa powder and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to meld. The refrigeration time is crucial for the dessert to set properly and for the flavors to develop fully. The result is a decadent dessert that combines the best of Italian and Kenyan flavors, a perfect ending to our La Dolce Vita brunch. The creamy mascarpone, The bold Kenyan coffee and the delicate biscuits come together in perfect harmony, creating a dessert that is both familiar and new. Enjoy this delightful fusion and savor every bite.